Simple interest. Simple interest is a one-time interest on a one-time principal. What we're going to use is the formula I equals PRT. It's actually a lowercase I. The capital P just depends on the book. I is the interest that's earned. P is the principal. The principal is what you invest or borrow. R is interest rate. We're always going to convert that to a decimal. And time is T. Now the interest rate time and the time invested must correspond. We'll talk about that with these examples. So what we're going to do in the first couple of examples is find the interest earned. So to do that, we're going to use this formula, I equals PRT. Now 3,000 is invested, so that's your P. Time is T. Annually is yearly, so that the times correspond. 5% as a decimal is 0.05 because you move the decimal two places to the left. So we have I equals 3,000. This is P times R times T, so it's all multiplication. The R is 0.05 and the T is 4. So we're going to take out our calculator. Type in 3,000 times 0.05 times 4. And we get $600. So that's the interest that's going to be earned. And here's another situation. 2,500 is invested, so that's the P. Months is a time. 2% is 0.02 as a decimal. Annually, these don't correspond, and they need to correspond. So what we do is we're going to convert the months into years. Since there's 12 months in a year, our time is going to be 30 divided by 12. That's just the easiest way to think about it. So using the same formula, I equals PRT. P is 2,500. R is 30. Oh my bad, not 30. What are we doing? R is the rate, which is 0.02. And the time is 30 over 12, which is 2.5 years in case you're wondering. I just don't like to think too much. I'd rather write it like this because they want to always be nice even decimals, so it's better to leave it as a fraction. So 2,500 times 0.02 times 30 divided by 12. $125. And if you happen to have a scientific calculator of some sort, just do 2,500 times 0.02 times 30 divided by 12. It'll work the same way. I just wanted you to see that. Now $1,000 is invested. That's the principal. 0.024%. We need to convert that to a decimal, so move it two places to the left. So it's 0.00024 is going to be our R. And the time is going to be 25 because these correspond, so we're going to leave it like that. They already correspond, not to do anything else to them. So P is 1,000. R is 0.00024. And then time is 25. Take out our calculator. So we have 1,000 times 0.00024 times 25. $6. Now let's look at this example. Find the amount of money in an account if $4,000 is invested, that's our principal, for 7 years, annual years same, and the annual simple interest rate of 3.2%, which is 0.032 as a decimal. So what we need to do is find the interest first, using that formula. So we have I equals 4,000 times our R, which is 0.032, and her T is 7. So you have 4,000 times 0.032 times 7. $896. So what's the total amount of money then? It equals the principal plus the interest. So the total amount is 4,000 plus 896, which is $4,896. And in this last example, we're going to find R this time. If the principal is 4,500, 205 is the interest, and T is the 3. So we're going to use I equals PRT. So the I is 205, P is 4,500, R we don't know, T is 3. So that's the equation we're going to solve. So let's just go ahead and clean it up first. 4,500 times 3, what is that? 10.5? Let's find out. $13.5. Ooh, I was off. R, divide both sides by 13,500 because we're solving for R. So you have 205 divided by 13,500. We get 0.015. If you want to go to the decimal place, that 1, the 8 rounds that 1 up to a 2. As a percent, move it 2 places to the right, it's 1.52%. And that's all.